Hello guys and welcome back to Code with Rashid. In today's video we shall keep on learning more about Python dictionaries. So let's start with the first property, that is how do we clear our dictionary. To clear a dictionary we shall write the dictionary name first, that is cardict dot clear function. Let's print the dictionary and see what is the output. After running the program you can see that we have got an empty dictionary. So what's happening here? This clear function is removing all the key value pairs of the dictionary and finally producing an empty dictionary. So guys, this was our first property today. Let's move on to the next property, that is how do we copy a dictionary. You might think that we would write cardict2 is equal to cardict. Let's print cardict2 and see what is the output. After running the program you can see that we have got a valid dictionary, but there is a problem here. Here the cardict2 is a reference to cardict1. Its mean is if we change the value of cardict1 it will also reflect in cardict2. Let's add a new property, color is equal to black in cardict, and print the cardict2 again and see what is the difference. After running the program you can see that this color is equal to black is also added in cardict2. This is because cardict2 is a reference to cardict1. To avoid such scenarios, we can use the built-in function of the dictionary, that is copy function. So we shall write cardict2 is equal to cardict dot copy function. Let's rerun the program and see what is the output. In this case, color is equal to black is not added in cardict2. So you can use the copy function to copy values from one dictionary to another, and this will avoid the reference. So guys, this was our second property. Let's move on to the next property, that is, let's say we have a set of keys and we want to create a dictionary out of it with the default value. How do we achieve it in dictionary? We can use the from keys built-in function of dictionary. So we shall write keys underscore dict is equal to dict keyword dot from keys, then set of keys, and finally the default value, that is 0 in our case. Let's print this dictionary and see what is the output. After running the program you can see that we have got a valid dictionary that is having all the keys and a default value of 0 for every key. So guys, this was our third property. Let's move on to the last property. Here we want to get a key from the dictionary, and if the key is not found we will set a default value for that key. So first of all let's print the dictionary, and here we have keys, brand, model and year. Now let's write cardict dot set default, then the key name, that is year, and then if the key is not found we will provide the default value, that is 2000. Let's print the dictionary and see what is the output. Let's also print the above statement as well. So we shall write print and then we shall run the program. So after running the program we can see that we have got a valid year, that is 1964. This is because the key was already there in the dictionary, and even the final output dictionary is not changed at all because the key was there. Now let's change the key to something that is not available in the dictionary. So we write color, then the default value of white. The color is not available in the dictionary, so this statement will return white, and this statement will also set the color property of the dictionary. This is because this color property is not found in the dictionary, so this value is also set in the final dictionary output. So guys, this was our today's topic. If you like our video please subscribe to our channel, and we will come with more videos in the future. Till then, take care and goodbye.